How to edit a bookmark on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a bookmark on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this Opera icon here and then click this bookmarks and then just hold on any bookmark you want like this one and click this pen here. And as you see now, you can change the address or the name or bookmark folder, and then just click here and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.